Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your GameSir G Pro to your Xbox. It's super easy, so just follow along. First, grab the USB cable that comes with the controller, plug one end into the GameSir G Pro. You might have to push it in a bit harder than usual, so don't worry if it feels tight. Once it's securely connected, plug the other end into any available USB port on your Xbox. Now, when you start up your Xbox, the controller should work right away. You can use it to navigate the menus and play your games without any issues. If it doesn't work right off the bat, try restarting your console and double-check that the cable is plugged in all the way. Some people say you need to apply pressure to make sure it stays in place. And that's because the cable has a strong grip to prevent accidental disconnections. That's it. Now you're all set to play. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.